So my name is Michelle. I have lived in Calgary my entire life, born and raised. And I heard about Feel the Love. A friend of mine forwarded me an email about the campaign, and I went online and went through the process. It's extremely easy to do, very user-friendly, and allowed me to put a bit of a story on Laverne. And she's somebody that I've known for several years now, a very dear friend of mine. And over the last couple of years, I've been struggling with a lot of health issues, and then in December was diagnosed with a couple of different types of cancer. And she's done so much for so many that I thought it would be perfect actually to do something nice for her. She's got a furnace in this house that is the age of the house, which I believe for 26, 27 years. And she had a quote done, couldn't afford it, so she decided to just make do. And I wanted to be able to do something nice for her because she has done so much for so many. I was overwhelmed with ARPI'S today. They have such a great crew throughout her house and her yard. The work that they've done and the care and respect that they've given to Laverne over the course of the day. They've had her laughing, they've had her crying. They have done amazing things in her yard, her house, the furnace, the garage. I could go on and on, but they have, and all of them giving out their time on a weekend, on a Thanksgiving weekend, which actually is quite perfect that it's a Thanksgiving weekend. It seems fitting, but they have, they've been incredible today. So my thoughts on the Feel the Love program for anyone in Calgary. If you know somebody that could use an amazing gift and a huge act of kindness and compassion and a really great crew, nominate them for this, because watching them run today has been outstanding.